Every once in a while I'll buy a knife as soon as I see it, and that's what happened with this one. It's a Mora, and this one is a little different than any of the other Moras that I've owned, and for a couple of reasons. First off is the full tang, so I'm going to pull it out of the scabbard first off, and it's full tang, so the blade steel comes all the way through the handle and extends out here. So if you're going to use this as a striking point or flint and steel or something, you've got that. There is a hole here through it, so you can put a lanyard on. Otherwise, it's a standard Mora up front, and it's a stainless model. Very nice, thick blade. It's a little nice grind on it, too. I think it might be a little thicker than some of them. It definitely feels a little stronger. It's got the great Mora polymer on the grip. Now, its sheath is a little bit different, too, in that it has the removable belt loop. It snaps into place, but it is removable, and it's also flexible, and I really like that option. So it can clip into the scabbard in either direction, so it's good for both left or right-handed use, or if you're going to have this on your gear, it'll go in either way. Covers it, and it kind of snaps into place, and real easy to deploy and use. Great for bushcraft, camping, great gift. And this one, this model has a really nice blade. All right, hope this helps.